Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain multiplications of the decimal numbers. That some point for multiplications of any decimal number. Then firstly, to multiply a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. When we multiply a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc., the decimal points shift towards right by the many decimal places as there are 0 in the multiplier after 1. That means, take understand with an example, 2.075 into 10. That means here is 10, that's decimal is shift at one's place of the right side. That's you can write 20.75. That's another example, 7.492 into hundreds. That's how many zeros? 2. Then you can proceed 2 digit of the right side as decimals. That means 749.2. That's the method to multiply 10, 100,000, etc. Now, second point, to multiply a decimal by an integer other than 10, 100,000, etc. 10, 100 और 1000 को छोड़कर दूसरे नंबर से अगर आपको किसी डेसिमल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन वी मल्टीप्लाई अ डेसिमल बाय कैन एन इंटीजर, वी मल्टीप्लाई देम इग्नोरिंग द डेसिमल पॉइंट. सबसे पहले आपको डेसिमल पॉइंट को इग्नोर करना है. देन वी प्लेस द डेसिमल पॉइंट इन द प्रोडक्ट आफ्टर as many digit from the right as the decimal numbers. Now take a example, 18 into 5.12. That firstly into 18. Clear? That's firstly ignoring the decimal. That's multiply 5.12 into 18. That's ignoring the decimals. You can multiply 8 to the 16, carry 1, 8 1 ja 8, 1, 9, 8 5 ja 40. That's one place. 1 1 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 5 ja 5. That means both add them, 6, 9 to 11, carry 1, 1 1, 2, 5 4 9, and put the decimal. How many digits? That's 1 and 2. Here decimal, then you can put the decimals 1 2. That's 92.16. 92.16 is the product of 18 into 5.12. Then first of all ignore the decimals. First of all you can multiply and count the right side of the digit. How many? That's 1 2, that 2. Then you can put the value 1 2. That's the put the decimal. Take another example, 11 into 7.321. That's 7.321 into 11. Firstly, ignore the decimals. That's 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 7 ja 7. Also 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 7 ja 7. That's add them, 1 2 1 3, 3 2 5, 7 3 10, carry 1, 7 1 8. That's decimal, how many digit? 1 2 3. That's put 1 2 3. That's put the decimal. That means 80.531 is the product of 11 into 7.321. Now next point, to multiply a decimal by another decimal. When we multiply a decimal by another decimal, we multiply them ignoring the decimal. First of all, जब आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आप डेसिमल कहाँ देना है नहीं देना है इस चीज़ को इग्नोर कर दीजिए. फर्स्टली यू कैन इग्नोरिंग द डेसिमल पॉइंट, देन वी place the decimal point in the product after as many digits from the right as a sum of the decimal places of the multiplier and the multiplicand. That take example 9.3 into 2.1. That means firstly ignore the decimal. That's ignoring the decimal. That's 1 3 ja 3, 1 9 ja 9, 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18. That means 3 9 6 15, carry 1. How many digits sum of decimal? 1 and 1. That's 2. 1 2. That's put 19.53. That's simply another example. 3.3 into 0.3 into 0.003. That's simply multiply 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27. That's how many digits of the decimal points? 1 2 3, 3 2 5, 5 1 6. That's total sum of the decimal in all the digit. Total sum of the decimal places in all the digits. That's 3 to 5 or 1 6. That means 27 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's the multiplications of the numbers. 0.3 into 0.03 into 0.003. So if you multiply in decimal, that's ignore the decimals. Firstly, ignore the decimal. You can simply multiply and count the decimal places of the digit and put the point on the right side of the digit. So the students, you can, your today's homework, do the question answer of 1 to 5 of exercise 3B. Thank you.